Hello everyone, it's Misha. Just some ideas. So I wanted to show you all of the 70% off toys that I picked up from Target. So Target right now currently is having a 70% off sale on their clearance toys. So this sale just started on Thursday. So I wanted to go ahead and upload this video so if you are interested, you can have a chance to go ahead and check your local Targets. So here's an overview of all the items that I picked up. So what I'm doing for next year, well, this year's Christmas and birthday presents. So I stocked up. So, you know, when the holidays roll around, birthdays, Christmas, then I'm already ready. So if I remember all the prices, I'll try to tell you what the prices are. If not, then I'll just show you what the items are. But everything you see here was 70% off. All right, so this Popper Magic Game, I paid $1.48 for that. And then I have this, it's called Me World. And it's a play set, a boutique, and it looks like it was $8 and looks like 98 cents. And then I actually found some of the pieces for it. It had the little character, and then it has some other little parts that you can, I guess, accessorize with it. So the little character female was $1.48, and then the accessories were 88 cents a pack. And then I picked up these play sets, like this tea set was, actually it was cheaper than $7.48. It was, I think I paid $4.48 for that. And it has 30 pieces, really cute. And then I picked up this Let's Play food set. And I believe that one was $4.48. And then I picked up these Monster High dolls. They were less than 10 bucks a piece. There's Claudine Wolf and Draculaura, I believe her name is, or actually Frankie Stein or whatever. I don't remember their name. My daughter knows their names. And then I picked up these two Paw Patrol sets. They were, I think, $2.98. And then I picked up this Leap Pad game for the Leapster. That was $7.48. I picked up a Cinderella tiara. And then I also picked up a Barbie style. And then I picked up a little Barbie's little sister. I think that's Skipper. And then I picked up a jet ski for Barbie. And then one of the greatest finds that I found was this Pennsylvania Flyer train. Target had this for $129. I actually wound up paying $38 for a $130 train. So I thought that was a phenomenal price. And then I picked up this Ever After High play set, and it comes with the doll. And then I also picked up some Frozen characters. Anna and Elsa, and I believe those were like $8 and $7 for those. And then last but not least, I picked up another doll for Ever After High. And that's all the items I picked up for with Target's toy clearance. So I'll give you another quick overview close up. I also picked up some home decor items within the last week or so. So I'll show you the items that I picked up. And I'll be right back. And then I found some home decor items that range in price from 70% to 90%. Actually, you know what? Everything you see here is 70%. I'm sorry, it's not 90%. So I picked up this Nate Berkus stool, vanity stool, and I paid 20 bucks for it. It was, I think it was originally priced $69.99. And then I picked up this threshold wicker trunk. And this was originally priced $59.99. And I picked it up for $17 and change. So this will be great. I actually have two of these. I'm going to use one to put like pillows in my bedroom, my throw pillows and stuff like that. And then the other one will go in my daughter's room for, I'm going to use it as a toy box, the second one. And then I also picked up these cute frames. This one was 70 off also. And it says, family is a little world created by love. And it's one of those clip collages where you could just clip your pictures on. So I thought that was really cute. And then I picked up just one simple frame that says girls. And then I picked up a fabric cube, and it was 50% off. And I think I paid under $3, like $2 and some change for that. And then the last thing I picked up was this Nate Berkus basket. And the basket, I believe, was $34.99, and I picked it up for about $10, $9 to $10 for that. So let me step back so I can give you another quick overview. And then I also picked up this lidded milk crate. It's the small size. There's a larger size. And this was 70% off. I paid $2.98 from that. And I think the original price, I believe, is $12.99. And then I picked up this jump rope that was 70% off. It's $3.88. And the original price is $12.99 for that. And then I picked up this cute little keychain tassel. So what I'll probably do is use this on my planner. It has the initial H, which that is not my initial, but I could just take that piece off. I really just wanted the tassel. And this was $2.38. Also, I'm going to show you, I bought more of these, the lidded milk crates. They call them lidded milk crates. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I have the big sizes that I bought for 70% off, and I already have them in my closet. So I'll just show you guys really quick what they look like, the ones that I purchased. But this is just, I found this one actually today. So I went ahead and I bought it. The rest of them that I found, they're already in place. So I'll show you that really quick. So here are the larger ones in my closet. I have them in the overhead shelf. So what I did was I went ahead and I labeled them. So each one has a specific items, you know, that's whatever's in those. So these big ones, this dark gray one that you see here, I paid $4.98, and these are originally priced, I believe, $14.99. So I have it in the dark gray, and then I have it in the ombre looking one. I have the big and the small sizes in both. And this is what they look like in my closet. So what I'll do is, once I'm done in here, my closet's organized for the most part, but I added some new pieces to it. So once that's done, then I'll give you guys a tour of my closet. So you can see my desk and my office that's inside my closet, along with, you know, how I organized it. And then I also found this mirror frame. It's a 4x6, and it was 70% off. It was $4.48, and the original price is $14.99. I wish I could find more. I only found the one, but if I find more, I'll definitely get them. But this is beautiful. I love this mirrored frame. And then I want to show you these 2 bottles of Gain, along with some other items that I use coupons for to save some money. So I purchased 2 bottles of Gain from Target. Right now they're on sale for $8.99, and this is the 100 floral ounces. And what it is if you purchase 2, you get back a $5 gift card. And then if you go on coupons.com, they have a coupon on there, so you can save $1 off both bottles. So what I did, I went ahead and I used two $1 off coupons. So everything came up to like $18 and some change. Saved $2 from that, so that made it $16. And then I had a $5 gift card that I rolled already. So I used my $5 gift card, so it was $11 for these 2 bottles of Gain. And then I received back another $5 gift card. So in essence, I paid $6 and about 50 cents for 2 huge bottles of Gain laundry detergent. So this is a great deal. If you're interested, I think Saturday is the last day to take advantage of this gift card deal. And then also they have a cereal deal with Kellogg's. If you buy any 5 Kellogg's brand cereal or Pop-Tarts, you can get back a $5 gift card. So what I did, there's coupons out there for this also on coupons.com and on the Kellogg's website. So I used coupons to save an additional money on these cereals. So if you bought 5 boxes of, for instance, these 5 boxes of cereal came out to $12.50. So I think I used one coupon that saved $1 and another one saved another. So I saved about $2 or $3 in coupons. And then I used my $5 gift card that I had and I rolled it. So these 5 boxes were about $10.50. Used the $5 gift card to pay for it. So it came out to be $5.50, and then I received back another $5 gift card. So in essence, I paid 50 cents for 5 boxes of cereal. So these are some great deals, and now is the time to stock up. Whenever Target has their gift card deals, it's a good time to stock up. And what I always do, I keep at least one $5 gift card and I roll that gift card. So I will only use that card on an offer that gives me back another $5 gift card. And it has to have coupons also to make the deal even better. So, I mean, if you want me to explain more in detail, just leave me a message in the comments and I will explain it further in detail if you don't understand. Or you could just send me a private message and I could show you, I could tell you how it works. All right, my lovelies, that's it for my haul. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do so, because a lot of this stuff I already posted on Instagram before I actually uploaded a video. So that way, if you're interested in some of these deals, that you can find them immediately versus waiting for me to upload a video. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.